Here are the things you'll need for this activity: the paper, the large blue circle, the green construction paper, that's going to be the lily pad, some colored pencils, crayons or markers, glue, and scissors. Tansei friends, it's Miss Sara. Today we are going to learn all about the life cycle of a frog. In your kits, you had a frog life cycle picture. So you're going to get that out, and we're going to start by coloring that picture. Once you've finished coloring your frog pictures, we're going to cut out each square. Now that we have our 4 pictures all cut out, we're going to glue them onto this circle. But first, on this circle, we need to put the lily pad. The lily pad is where the fully grown adult frog is going to sit. So how about we glue that on next? Great, so you have your adult frog glued to the lily pad. But now I'm not sure what order they go into. Let's watch a video of the life cycle of a frog and see what order they go in.
Female frogs produce many eggs at one time and they lay them in water. The eggs are coated in a jelly-like substance to protect them. They float on top of the water. We call this stage the egg stage. The tadpoles develop inside the eggs until they are ready to hatch. Then they eat their way out of the egg. We call this stage the hatching stage. The tadpoles breathe with external gills, which can be seen here as the white feathery structures on either side of their heads. They eat algae and other aquatic plants in order to grow bigger. At this stage they are called a tadpole. Next, their tails will start to shorten and they start to grow back legs. Their external gills will disappear and they start to breathe with internal gills. At this stage they are still called a tadpole. They next develop front legs. Their tail continues to shorten. They start to lose their gills and develop lungs. At this stage they are called a froglet. Once their tail has gone, their lungs are fully developed and both sets of legs are fully grown, we can now call them a frog. We call the process of turning from a tadpole into a frog metamorphosis, which means big change.
Wow, that was really interesting. So first, it was the egg. So I'm going to glue the eggs onto my circle. Next, it was the tadpole. So we want to take the one with no legs. That goes next. Then it was the froglet. That's when the frog grows 2 legs and then 2 arms. The last stage is the adult frog. Then the cycle starts again and again. It's a circle. There's no end. I hope you enjoyed learning about the life cycle of a frog and that you had fun creating this craft. Now hop, hop, hop on with the rest of your day. Examaga!